going to talk a little bit about plant-based protein, specifically to soy, and it's soy good.
We love our tau huay.
Yeah.
I love it too. So this morning from 7 a.m. we've been boiling this tau hui tree over here. Pour this over to strain it. So anti-nutrients are found in certain plant foods, and they are either mainly phytate and oxalates. So it chelates certain nutrients to make them not so absorbable. So it can be removed by either boiling and discarding the water. But the difference between the homemade one is that I get to keep the pulp, which is called okara. I have it over here, which I can then make a salad. You could also continue boiling it in a pot, and then you could use the chopsticks to pick up the layer that's left on top, and that is the tofu skin. And then
and regular milk when she's drinking her soy milk.
I guess, be creative, try different seasoning, and you can make your own plant-based patty at home.